So I really think that the power of AI is kind of twofold. The first is how we're kind of seeing it being used today, which is where people will ask a question and get a response. Super powerful. It's great for giving you a list of ideas. In fact, I just used it this morning to get some video topic ideas, and it was pretty great. I asked for 20. I think I had to throw 5 out and tweak another 5, but it really kind of gets you going in the right direction, and kind of gets the creative juices flowing. So it's powerful for that. Obviously, from a business standpoint, with Intellichat, which is the AI sales and support company that I own, what we do is we ingest a company's data and allow a user to ask questions about that data specifically. We do it very securely, and it doesn't get out there in the open. And that's great for an end user or a support tech or a salesman to be able to ask a question that's highly technical and very quickly get a human response back. Is super powerful. But what's next, right? What's the other side of that? The other side is the ability for the AI from kind of a management standpoint, you as a business owner, not necessarily the support tech or the salesman or the trainee, but the business owner being able to see what's happening with the salesman, the support tech, and the trainee, and kind of start to get some trends. So what I did, and we're integrating this into our dashboard for Intellichat actually, but I think this is important, is I took some of the responses, the questions that were asked in the responses, and I fed it into the AI, and I said, okay, I want you to give me some some stats on this. What's going on? Give me some analytics that would be meaningful. And it did. It gave me common topics. It's like the most frequently asked queries can be identified, and then it expanded on them. It said, here are some training needs. So, there might be some end users that need to know a handful of things. Again, we're identifying that these things just don't seem to be covered. And then also talked about system usability. And I really didn't feed it that much. The prompt was, what data can you give me from the data that would be helpful for improving support in the future? That was it. It was simple. And I fed it data in the previous response. And then I just asked, give me something that would be helpful. And it got into system usability. It understood that there was a system behind this that was going to need some work. So that's really what's powerful. Yes, at the end user level, it's great to get questions answered quickly. But what's really powerful is when you can start to get to the point that those questions don't need to be asked because you've identified potential bottlenecks, pain points within the pieces of software, within your training method, whatever it is. So the more we can start to use AI to analyze our company data internally, the more powerful that's going to become, either as an AI tool or just the smarter the company is going to become in general.